Alright, everybody. So, I've been printing out the Hulkbuster on the printer, and it's actually a pretty cool figure. I didn't print any of the base out for it because I'm gonna just glue it down to something else. But it's actually really neat on how it all kind of goes together. It didn't print out 100% perfect, which is fine for me, but um, yeah, so here it is. I got the whole. This is the size of the whole thing. Um, yeah, it's kind of a monster. But that's kind of what I've been up to. I printed out the legs here yesterday or the day before, and they turned out awesome. It's not like I said. There's a lot of cleanup and stuff I got to do on this. Um, and before I break it, yeah, I don't want to have another derailment. But like the arms and stuff, like I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but I mean, I can get that to work. I will figure it out. I might have to put in some styrene spots to make it actually look like a hand, but yeah. And then on this arm, I call it the PLA. Um, it just some pieces don't track very well, and there's really nothing you can do about it. It's just the way the file is and how you have to print it out. But once you get filler primer in it and then fill in a bunch of spots, you're never really gonna tell. Okay? And then on the legs, I'm gonna have to take like some molding clay or something and build up the back toes. Like they're actually supposed to look more like that. It's actually supposed to look more like that. And it just didn't, for some reason, it didn't print it out. So I'm gonna have to make a square box and make it work, right? But for the most part, I mean, it's not 100% perfect by any means, but I will get it to work. Um, but that's the Hulkbuster. Thanks.